our credit report tip of the day. Access cash without waiting on your credit report. If you own shares, you may be able to put them to work immediately by using them as collateral instead of selling them. This strategy, known as pledging shares, allows you to borrow against the value of your stock portfolio while keeping your investment intact and participating in future growth. Whether your holdings are on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, Barbados Stock Exchange, the New York Stock Exchange, or the Toronto Stock Exchange, the rule is simple. If your shares have value, they can help you access capital. Use your portfolio to fund growth, expand a business, or seize opportunities now without liquidating your assets or relying solely on traditional credit.